Hello guys, I was telling you about these two bearish flags on Bitcoin, and here we saw even a double top, which is one of the most bearish chart patterns that we can encounter. It was a regional double top, and the price target of this double top was 2,200. And today Bitcoin reached 9,800. So it went a little bit lower than our price target, which is great because we had a short position. This bearish momentum can continue. Let's look at the bigger picture here, and we can see that this was a bearish flag, went down. This is another bearish flag that, if we respect the same distance from here to this area, we can go to 16,000. What is cool about TradingView, you have a link in the description of this video. Is the best charts platform that I have encountered, is that those chart patterns are printed automatically. So you go to indicators, bearish, and you can see bearish flag here, and it will discover all the bearish flags and other chart patterns that you want to seek for your asset that you're searching for. I'm using also the divergence indicator and the buy and sell indicators that you can also find in the description of this video. Ancient Bitcoin whales are re-entering the crypto space after 10 years, and this is a bearish news in my opinion. They are here to sell and eventually sell before the merge, the Ethereum merge. So block data shows that 5,000 10-year-old Bitcoins were transferred, and also here you had another wallet that moved 100,000 Bitcoins. They bought around 5.27, around $5-6, and they made a huge gain. Even at this level, at 20,000, they are making more than 600,000% return on their investment in 10 years. Bitcoin was the best financial asset to hold in the past 10 years. I was telling the guys from my Patreon group in WhatsApp messages that Grayscale expressed concerns over the potential impact of Ethereum merge, especially on tokens that run natively on Ethereum. The merge may lead to a fork that might have unexpected and unfavorable outcomes, and a scenario where stablecoins and tokens locked in smart contracts might not be redeemable. Token and stablecoin holders might panic and start liquidating their holdings. Remember that we also have the CPI report this month on September 13. The interest rates hiked after that, and the Ethereum merge on September 6th. That will be completed at some point between 10 and 20th of September. MakerDAO said that the Ethereum merge could lead to perpetual contract backwardation and negative funding. The launch could trigger selling pressure across chains existing on proof of work, because we are moving now to proof of stake from proof of work. Backwardation and negative funding refer to a market situation where futures prices are lower than the expected spot prices. Ethereum network security and performance could be negatively impacted by the upcoming upgrade. This is the worst case scenario that can happen to Ethereum, but the worst thing is not over. The worst thing is related to Tether, that was accused by Wall Street Journal by insolvency. So on August 25th, Tether revealed that they have 67.7 billion in assets compared to 65.7 billion in liabilities, making a difference of only $191 million. So the Wall Street Journal article had claimed that a mere 0.3% decline in the asset value could result in a technical insolvency for the stablecoin issuer. In response, Tether noted that the US Treasury bills, which backed over 50% of the USDT stablecoin, are the premier safe asset for several decades. But there is also the threat of hedge funds that could short Tether. And for that, Tether refuted claims that the hedge funds were short selling in order to undermine its liquidity. Defending the health of the reserve, Tether said that 10 billion worth of USDT was redeemed in a single week, indicating its ability to withstand bank runs. I don't see a good outcome to Tether, to be honest. I think that at some point Citadel or some hedge funds will take care of it like they did to UST, the Terra stablecoin, which with $1 billion they could short the stablecoin in order to make it useless, and also made money by taking this position. Also, the FBI issues warning over vulnerable DeFi platforms. They say that between January and March 2022, cybercriminals stole 1.3 billion in cryptocurrencies, almost 95% of which was stolen from DeFi platforms. So be careful with those DeFi platforms, because I think that they are easy to hack than others. If you want to short the market and use 100x leverage, you can do that on Bybit. You have my referral link below. They offer you some bonuses. Even I made a picture here, $4,050 worth of bonuses when you deposit. Depends on the amount of money you deposit. And if you don't have time to trade, you can use one of the best traders here and just copy trade what they are doing. For example, this one that now doesn't accept any other followers, made in the past 7 days $191,000 to his followers, and has profitable trades open right now. If you don't want to copy or to follow that user, you can get inspired by his transactions that are in real time on Bybit, and I think you can be really successful with them. Of course, it's not trading advice, it's not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor, and you need to do your own research before investing in those assets, because you can also lose your money. I wish you many profitable trades.